Hello everyone, have a blessed day. For today's devotional entitled, Open the Eyes of My Heart, Lord. It is found in Ephesians chapter 1 verse 18. It says, I pray that the eyes of my heart may be enlightened. So this is the prayer of Paul, guys. Let's sing first. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Who wants to see God? Only God can open our spiritual eyes, by the way. So there are two kinds of eyes we have. First is the physical eyes, which we are using right now to see the beauty of nature, objects, and the entire world. And another one is the spiritual eyes, which only God can open it. Why do we need spiritual eyes? We need the spiritual eyes, guys, to discern evil or good, evil and good, to know the will of God, to know the truth that will set us free. Then, to have hope in God, to know the grace and presence of God in our lives. That is how important is the spiritual eyes. So how do we get the spiritual eyes? We get the spiritual eyes from God by first prayer. We need to pray every day that God will open the eyes of our heart so that we may be enlightened. Excuse me. Another one is to worship God. We should give time to God because He is good all the time. His mercy endures forever. Another one is to read the Bible every day. We need to seek the truth because the truth will set us free. Another one is to ask the Holy Spirit to open our eyes, to guide us and direct us. And the last is to walk by faith, meaning we need to trust in God in hard times. We need to trust Him. So that is all about spiritual eyes. Thank you for listening. Have a blessed day, everyone. Once again, bye-bye.